Okay, so we have a data here wherein here in this column we have the stores and in the rows we have the products, and this XXX denotes the availability of the product in the stores. We want to know the count of stores where product A is available, B is available and C is available. So it can be done using count function. So we can see count if, and I can say I want to know product A first. So I'll select this, and what is the criteria? I will say give me all those which have X in it. I get it. So 5 stores have X have product A. If I drag it down, you are getting some number, but it is not correct. The reason is that when I drag it down, it is still in this cell, but we are interested in product B. Ideally it should have been column number 2, so 5. Then this should have been column number 3, 5. So you can see that I had to write 3 different formulas. Imagine if this were 20, 30 products. I have to write formula for each of this. It's such a waste of time. How we can do it smarter way? For that, what we have to do is we have to convert this to the table. So I will first convert this to the table. Insert table. This is the data of my table as headers. Yes, okay. So this has got converted to table. Secondly, we are going to use indirect method to achieve this. So let's say count. Give me count if, and then you have to think how you can write count. So count if, what is the range? Product A, this is the range. So see this, by default when I have selected this product A area, it automatically gave me table 12 product A. Now what is this table 12? Table 12 is the name of this table. Inside that, this is product A column, this is product B column, this is product C column. So table 12 product A, these are the values you have. And then you say I want X, and it will give you 5. But if you want to drag this, again it will not work, because it will keep on referring to product A only. And if you want to change, you have to do product B. By default it has come product B now, and you want to change to product C, you can change it to product C. It has come. So all are 5, 5, 5, right? Let's delete some. So we know that here also it is correct, here also it is correct. So this is not the correct way to do. Try to realize what is happening. We are referring to this table 12 and product A. Let's try to create this using text. So what I will do is I will write table 12, then this and product A, and see this, I have created exactly the same thing, table 12 product A. If I copy paste here, both are exactly same. If you use a exact function, this and this, it is true. We have created using reference, and as a result if I drag it, see table 12 product A, B, C. Now why I have done that? I have done that because I want to use indirect function. Indirect, if I refer this, I will be able to get the values of the product A. Note that here it will show only 1, but try, because it is only, if it's array, how many are there? Total 7. So what I will do is I will select 7 cells and I will write indirect, and I will refer to this, and I say Control Shift Enter. See, XXXX have come, and where it was not there, it has been replaced with 0. So it is a very, very powerful technique now in our hand. So what we will do is, wherever we had this table 12 product A, we are not going to use this table 12 product A. We are going to refer to this cell and press enter. Oh, sorry, we have to use indirect. See, it has given me 5, and if I drag it down, it has given me. But I don't want you to create another column like this. What you can do is, you can copy this entire thing from here, paste it here, and you can drag it. So even if it is like 20, 30 rows, you can get it. And that is the beauty of this indirect function.